Imagine a world where you could instantly vanish into thin air, leaving your enemies baffled and bewildered. Well, for octopuses, this isn't just a fantasy, it's their everyday reality. These eight-armed masters of disguise have some seriously mind-blowing tricks up their sleeves when it comes to escaping predators. Get ready to have your mind blown as we dive into the incredible world of octopus escape artistry. Octopuses are nature's ultimate escape artists, equipped with an arsenal of defense mechanisms that would make even Houdini jealous. Their first line of defense is their unparalleled ability to camouflage. These cephalopod chameleons can change their skin color and texture in the blink of an eye, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. It's like having an invisibility cloak, but way cooler. But that's just the beginning. When camouflage isn't enough, octopuses have a few more tricks up their tentacles. One of their most spectacular moves is the ink cloud defense. When threatened, they can release a burst of dark ink into the water, creating a smokescreen that confuses and disorients predators. It's like throwing down a ninja smoke bomb, giving the octopus precious seconds to make its getaway. Speaking of getaways, octopuses are the Usain Bolts of the ocean when it comes to quick escapes. Their boneless bodies allow them to squeeze through impossibly tiny spaces, making them the ultimate contortionists of the sea. They can flatten themselves to fit through gaps as small as a quarter, which is pretty mind-boggling when you consider some species can grow to be as big as a human. But wait, there's more. Octopuses have another ace up their sleeve, or should we say arm? When all else fails, they can detach one of their arms as a last-ditch effort to escape. This process, called autotomy, is like having a built-in decoy. The detached arm continues to wriggle and distract the predator while the octopus makes its daring escape. Talk about giving someone the slip to a whole new level. Now, you might be wondering, how do these eight-armed escape artists know when danger is lurking? Well, octopuses have some seriously impressive sensory abilities. Their eyes are remarkably similar to human eyes and can detect even the slightest movement in the water. But that's not all. Their entire body is covered in chemoreceptors, allowing them to taste the water around them and pick up on chemical cues from potential predators. But perhaps the most mind-blowing aspect of octopus escape artistry is their intelligence. These brainy cephalopods have been observed using tools, solving puzzles, and even planning ahead. This cognitive prowess allows them to assess threats quickly and choose the most effective escape strategy for each situation. It's like having a tiny Einstein with 8 arms. One of the most fascinating examples of octopus intelligence in action is their use of coconut shells as portable shelters. Some species of octopus have been observed collecting discarded coconut shells from the ocean floor, carrying them around, and then using them as impromptu armor when threatened. It's like having a mobile panic room. Talk about thinking outside the box. Octopuses also have a knack for learning from experience. They can remember which escape tactics worked best against different predators and adjust their strategies accordingly. This ability to adapt and improve their defense mechanisms makes them even more formidable escape artists. But let us not forget about one of the octopus's most bizarre and effective escape methods: shape-shifting. These malleable mollusks can contort their bodies into all sorts of shapes, mimicking other sea creatures to throw predators off their scent. Imagine being chased by a shark, only to suddenly transform into a poisonous sea snake. That's the kind of next-level trickery octopuses are capable of. And if all else fails, octopuses have one last, rather explosive, trick up their sleeve: jet propulsion. By forcefully expelling water from their mantle cavity, they can zoom through the water at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. It's like having a built-in turbo boost, allowing them to outpace many of their would-be predators in a flash. Now, you might be thinking, with all these amazing escape abilities, are octopuses ever in real danger? The truth is, despite their impressive arsenal of defense mechanisms, octopuses still face threats from a variety of predators. Sharks, seals, large fish, and even other octopuses are all potential dangers. But thanks to their incredible adaptability and problem-solving skills, Octopuses have managed to thrive in oceans around the world for millions of years. The octopus's mastery of escape artistry isn't just fascinating, it's also inspiring. These incredible creatures remind us of the power of adaptability, creativity, and quick thinking in the face of challenges. Whether it's camouflaging to blend in with our surroundings, thinking on our feet to solve problems, or knowing when to make a strategic retreat, we can all learn a thing or two from these eight-armed escape artists. So, the next time you're feeling stuck or cornered, just ask yourself, what would an octopus do? Maybe you'll find yourself thinking more creatively, adapting more readily to change, or even developing your own version of an ink cloud defense, though we don't recommend actually spraying ink at your problems. In conclusion, octopuses are truly the ultimate escape artists of the animal kingdom. From their mind-bending camouflage abilities to their quick-thinking problem-solving skills, these incredible creatures have evolved an impressive array of tactics to outwit and outmaneuver their predators. They remind us that sometimes the best defense is a good offense, or in this case, a really clever escape plan. So here's to the octopus, nature's eight-armed Houdini, forever keeping predators guessing and humans utterly amazed.